Oh, hello. Just cleaning again, because I swear to God, that's all I ever do. Clean the garage, clean the house, clean up after puppies. It's my lot in life. So you might wonder why this jack is here. Well, that's because it doesn't want to lift very good anymore. So what we're going to do is we got to pump it back up. So, in typical Tibbs fashion, I broke it. Apparently this little thing, I mean this jack is, my God, it's got to be 20 years old, maybe even older. I went to pull it out to go add some oil into it. Didn't bleed all out, all that good stuff, and, well, she brittle, folks. Oh well. Alrighty. So, well, you can't really see it here. Let's put this down here. Got me a new little thing. I had an extra hydraulic ram that had the same type of plug. So, got her all blood. Got some nickel. Look at that operation. So, there you go. So, look at us. Moving up in the world. Instead of using old Mr. Grinder here, which probably isn't the best. You know, it can be done. Seen plenty of stuff on it say, hey, just use this. Sharpen TIG electrodes. We went good old Amazon. We got us Amazonian stuff. We got tungsten electrode sharpener. And that'll up our game a little bit. Hopefully can take us, we can get some better looking TIG welds. So, hopefully, you know, this can keep us learning. Keep us getting the TIG down. So, yahoo! Well, this is what they call genuinely disappointing. So I'm chasing down this unholy weird issue with my truck. And so I'm chasing down this really unholy weird issue, which really isn't weird. You know, the brakes shudder a little bit when you stop. Well, at first I thought, you know, brake rotors. Brake rotors are warped. That's it. Well, no. I replaced all four. Problem still exists. This did happen. I blew a front brake line, and then this did happen after that. And I've gotten all the air out and everything like that. So now I'm re-bleeding the whole system. I got me one of those pressure bleeders. Instead of the one-man vacuum bleeder, I got a pressure bleeder where you introduce about 15 to 20 psi in the system, which is what brakes run on. And then you go, you know, open the brake bleeder screws. Yeah, that is a genuine kick right into you-know-where. Rusty truck things indeed. Boo. So I guess we got our handy-dandy screw extractor, bolt extractor, and we're gonna try that. Yahoo! Well, thank you GoPro for not recording, because that went about as well as expected. I put a bunch of liquid wrench on there for God knows how long, let it sit in. Actually let it sit in for, yeah, a long time. And that's what we got. I should have introduced heat first. So we're doing the age-old thing of we're just buying a new brake caliper and we're going to call it like that because I ain't dealing with this. We're going to try and get that out. Good luck. You're going to try and drill out a hardened piece of tool steel now that's stuck in there because it's snapped off? Yeah, that ain't going to happen. Well, that really sucks. Well, I'm just glad I replaced this. Because they have these stupid little, can you see that? Yeah, see? These guys right there. They have those stupid little Torx adapters, but we don't like those. Not at all. So, we got just the normal hex. Stupid torque. Stupid Torx. Look at that stupid Torx. So, either go to Rock Auto and get a brake caliper, or just look online and get a brake caliper. Boo! Right from Napa. Comes with a whole unit, caliper bracket, the new guide pins, the updated guide pins that aren't Torx. Oh, I'm so happy right now. Oh, we'll slap this guy in, and we'll be good again. And just like that, old and busted New hotness. Oh, an intact bleeder. Already got them all bled. Time to go take for a test drive, see if I fixed my issue. So getting the boat batteries all charged up. I got one here, the other one's over there somewhere. I might have left it on the high charge a little bit too long, but it's got 13 volts, so I'm guessing that should be fine. Maybe I'll see if I can run a load test on it. Of course, I don't have a load tester, so there's that going for me. Oh well. Look at how high our river is right now. I guess Tibbs Marine is gonna have to wait a couple of days. Holy crap. Usually that's probably about 5 or 6 feet down right there. Wow.
One eternity later.
The river's so high right now that it's all underwater. Holy cow. Yeah, buddy. Got us a darn pedal boat there, brother. Yahoo! So, back when I replaced this brake line, this thing, it's a brake fluid level sensor. I went to go pull it off. I pull it off there, and the whole thing just yeeted right out of there. So, that's like broken yeet, not like good yeet. How the heck do we get that? Oh my Jesus. Can you guys even see that? Yeah, it's all super blurry. Come on, focus. Okay, it's not going to focus, so I figure out how to get that out of there. Weird. Oh, see. So it goes right through to the other side. I was all like, oh, wait, right here. I already pulled it out. Hey, here's the other piece. Those two little tabs there, you just squeeze them in together, and right out they come. How about that? Yeah, look at that. So then we'll just, come back over to here, come back over to here. Just pop it up. What? I probably could just move everything and go over there, but am I going to do that? Doesn't seem like it, does it? You seriously, I can't hit a little... Alrighty. Let's see. What is going on here? There we go. There we go. It doesn't pull back out. We're gonna plug this in because we can probably do that now anyways. There we go. Now, let's see here. iPhone. Now you can see how those two tabs are in there. And there you go. One thing taken care of. Thanks for watching. Keep on keeping on and get that project running.